Hey there, folks! I'm excited to bring you another fantastic video today, where we'll explore the fascinating world of e-commerce and learn how to establish a thriving online business. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to kickstart your e-commerce journey and start making substantial profits. From understanding the fundamentals of e-commerce to developing a solid business plan, sourcing the right products, setting up your online store, integrating secure payment gateways, and devising effective marketing strategies, we've got you covered. So let's dive right in and begin by understanding what e-commerce entails. E-commerce, short for electronic commerce, refers to the buying and selling of goods and services over the internet. It revolutionizes the traditional brick-and-mortar shopping experience by leveraging technology and convenience. Think about it this way. In the past, if you wanted to buy a new pair of shoes, you'd have to physically visit a store, browse through aisles, try on different pairs, and make a purchase. But with e-commerce, you can do all of that from the comfort of your home. You can explore a vast range of shoe options, read reviews, compare prices, and with a few clicks, have them delivered right to your doorstep. It's all about making shopping easier, faster, and more accessible for everyone. Now that we grasp the concept of e-commerce, let's delve into the process of setting up your own online business. The first step is deciding what products or services you want to offer. It could be anything from handmade crafts, clothing, electronics, or even digital products like online courses or software. Choose something you're passionate about, or an area where you identify a market demand. Once you have your product or service idea, it's time to develop a solid business plan. Your plan should outline your target audience, competitors, pricing strategy, marketing approach, and financial projections. Having a clear roadmap will guide you through the journey of your online store. You have a couple of options here. You can either build your own website or leverage existing e-commerce platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. If you decide to build your website, you'll need a domain name and web hosting. There are various reliable web hosting providers available that offer affordable packages and user-friendly interfaces. A quick online search will help you find the best hosting solution for your needs. Once your website is set up, it's crucial to design it in a visually appealing and user-friendly manner. The design should effectively showcase your products or services. Consider investing in high-quality product images and providing detailed descriptions to entice customers. Remember, your website serves as your virtual storefront, so make sure it leaves a lasting impression. Next, you'll need to integrate a secure and convenient payment gateway to handle transactions. Popular options include PayPal, Stripe, and Square. These platforms ensure that your customers can make payments easily and securely, giving them peace of mind while shopping on your website. Now that your online store is up and running, it's time to focus on marketing and driving traffic to your website. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube to create engaging content, build a loyal following, and promote your products. Consider running targeted ads to reach a wider audience and collaborate with influencers or bloggers in your niche to expand your reach. Lastly, always prioritize excellent customer service. Respond promptly to inquiries, address concerns, and go the extra mile to exceed customer expectations. Happy customers not only become repeat buyers, but also act as brand ambassadors, spreading positive word of mouth about your business. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to starting your own e-commerce business. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with dedication, perseverance, and the right strategies,